AI is reshaping how creators make money. The artists who master these 9 skills will dominate the market in 2026. Let's explore what separates the wealthy from the rest. First, master advanced prompt engineering. Learn to craft hyper-specific prompts that generate commercial quality assets. Second, understand different AI models. Midjourney, DALL-E, Stable Diffusion each excel differently. Third, develop style consistency skills to create branded content at scale. These fundamentals unlock freelance income streams worth thousands monthly. Master workflow automation using Zapier and Make to scale production. Learn API integration to embed AI into client workflows. Develop personal brand positioning as an AI artist consultant. These skills transform you from creator to business architect. Build digital product libraries, sell presets, templates, and design systems. Create educational content teaching AI skills to aspiring artists. Finally, develop client acquisition funnels targeting high-budget agencies. Combined, these generate multiple revenue streams, passive income, consulting fees, and licensing deals worth 6 figures. The wealth gap in AI widens monthly. Creators who act now position themselves as industry leaders by 2026. The skills are learnable, the demand is real, and the opportunity is now. Your competitive advantage starts with mastering these 9 abilities today. Ready to dominate AI art in 2026? Subscribe for weekly skill breakdowns and subscribe to our newsletter for exclusive monetization strategies.